Welcome! In front of me I have a Redmi Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And after you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called the reset, and once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process, and let's wait until it's complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.